And you say else, please, oh, please. And you say achambako, please.
Okay, that's everything I have. You can check in the black hamper in the bathroom if you want to check in there.
Yes.
I think that's just whites.
Okay, only take the colored things.
Mother, Dada, they're not just white.
Oh, it's not?
No, there's one color thing.
One color thing? Okay.
That's all we have to do. Those white things going in the afternoon.
Okay.
Go in the afternoon. So me and Mama put them in the afternoon.
Jammies if you want to wash your jammies, Henry.
Do you want to wash your jammies?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, that's it. Time to start up the laundry?
If you want to put your jammies in, you can.
No, we can't start the laundry, Dada.
Why not?
Mama, we have to start this laundry. It's getting kind of full.
Okay, start it up.
We have to get all that stuff out. That shirt makes it all the way to your tippy top.
That's cool. That's good. It saves water and power when you run the laundry.
We gotta use detergent. We gotta get that detergent, please.
Okay.
Do we have the detergent?
Is it up there?
Yes.
How many squirts is it?
9.
9.
Do you have detergent?
We do.
Okay.
He's talking to his communicator like Buzz Lightyear.
Do you have washing machine detergent and dryer detergent
We do.
right here?
That's it.
Okay. Pretend to be Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know he had a spaceship.
No?
Something like that. There.
How many squirts was it?
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
It was 7 squirts, Mama.
Okay.
Okay. Some detergent up there.
That's okay.
Okay. I gotta put your detergent back up. Do you want to say your detergent? Do you want to say detergent? Hello?
Hello?
Someone else has this. Except for later.
Oh, okay.
What else? Be on my time. Can you talk?
I can talk.
It's talking.
Okay.
It's detergent.
Oh, you gotta turn it, right?
Oh, yes. I forgot your church. Forgot your church. Forgot your church.
Thanks, Henry.
Mama? Mama? Someone, Mama, these two nails, no problem. Just a tiny bit on this, and then on this. Oh, okay. Mine has all the nails, but this one has a tiny more bit to come off.
Is that it?
Yep. We gotta get those clothes out.